Okay, so and there's not much on the monthly, so let's go to the weekly. On the weekly, there's this zone I want to mark here. There's this key level I want to mark around this zone here. So it's a psychological level. It's 21,000. So we can see that the market has been creating bullish structures where it has been breaking structures to the upside here, around breaking structures to the upside. So, and around this zone, when approaching this psychological level around here, this psychological level acted as resistance, and it later broke to the upside. So when a resistance is broken, it normally turns into a support. And bear in mind, this is a psychological level, so normally price reacts heavily on psychological level. So on last week, we had this bearish candle around this psychological level. So this week I was expecting a bullish momentum. So on with the monthly and the weekly, all I just need to look, since they're all telling me that the market is bullish, all I'm just looking for is taking buys. So let's go to the daily. On the daily time frame, let's mark our last break of structure to the upside. So this is the last break of structure to the upside. It was around this zone here. Let's see. Let's copy this. Copy, paste. So we can see that this was the last break of structure to the upside on the daily. So, and after that, so this is the low that if the market takes it out, we will switch our bias from looking for buys to looking for sales. But as long as as long as price remains above this low, I'm only going to look for sales, for buys, sorry. So, and you can see that we can see how Friday's candle closed with this doji candlestick rejecting this psychological level. You can see that it resisted around this zone around here,